Put JB Weld on this heating coil about 3 times now. I've never seen JB Weld that's flexible. This thing's been dry for weeks, but apparently it don't get hard enough to stop the leak. Has anybody ever seen JB Weld not get hard? Look at this. I mean, I can pick it all the way. It's crazy. Is it the copper tube I'm putting it on? I don't know. But all this stuff right here is just gonna pick right away. Look at that. JB Weld. I'm gonna try it one last time with a brand new container of the original JB Weld. The one I used before was the 1 and 2 part JB Weld that's squirts out at the same time, so you get equal amounts. Maybe it's just a defective tube of it or whatever. But anyway, just curious if anybody ever had this problem with JB Weld. And yeah, I use equal amounts of hardener. So we'll see.